So today we're going to be burning some propane. And the combustion of propane happens in a reaction that's shown right here. You have 1 mole of propane reacting with 5 moles of oxygen, forming 3 moles of carbon dioxide and 4 moles of water. That's our ratio that we're going to use to solve this problem. Now, pretend that we're burning propane in open air where we have plenty of oxygen. I want to find out how many grams of water I can produce. So I'm going to take my amount of propane, which is 132 grams, C3H. And the first thing I'm going to have to do, because whenever we compare amounts of substances, we have to go to moles. When all else fails in life, we go to moles. It allows us to compare the ratio of different substances. So, if I have 132 grams of C3H8, I've already done out for you calculating the molar mass of this substance, which is 44 grams per mole. So this works out to be 3 moles of propane that we're burning. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to find out how much water we can actually make from this amount of propane. So we use our molar ratio from the chemical equation to show that we get 4 moles of water for every 1 mole of propane. And this tells us that we would make 12 moles of water. So now that we know the amount of water we made, we want to know how much that's actually going to weigh if we put it on a balance. So if I have, just taking that number down here, so if I have 12 moles of water, whenever we want to find out how much something weighs and we know the number of moles, we simply use the molar mass in the opposite fashion. We have 18 grams of 1 mole of water, so if we have 12 moles, we use that ratio, 18 grams per 1 mole of water, and we get 216 grams of water produced.